In this video, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image on Photoshop. So all you need to do is open up Photoshop, and then right there you would have your image, right? Now all you need to do to crop this is go to the toolbar, and then right there you should be able to find the crop tool right there. Okay, so you can click on it, and then all you need to do is basically select one of the corners, and then you can crop the image. Let's say that I want to do it like this, like crop it like that. You then do this, and there you go. Click enter, and you've now cropped your picture. So if this is what you're looking for, then I hope this helps you out. Make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video if this helps you out. Let me know in the comments down below if it works, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.